Welcome back to this channel. In part 3 of question tag, we are going to do the sentences which are imperative. Let us see what we have. Let us go for a walk. Now remember, whenever the statement begins with let's or let us, over here it means let us, we have to have the question tag from shall, okay? So let us go for a walk. Shall we? Wait for me. Will you? Wait for me, won't you? No, that doesn't work here because this is an imperative sentence which begins with a verb. So you just put, if it is positive, you have to put positive only. Let's wait for him, shall we? Pass me the salt, will you? Shut up, will you? Okay, this is pretty simple now. I want you to try these on your own. Come on, quickly before I put up the answers. Okay, I'm putting up the answers now. Let's celebrate his success, shall we? This is all that we have in the question tag series. I will see if I can put some quiz on this part. I'm going to touch some other topics probably in math now. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to support it. I will see you very soon with another video. Bye bye.